How to fix Ryanair app not scanning passport. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, ensure proper lighting and clarity. Position your passport on a flat, well-lit surface. Avoid glare or shadows that might obscure details and ensure the entire passport page, including the signature, is visible within the frame. Hold your device steady to prevent blurriness. Next, verify information accuracy. Confirm that the name on your booking matches exactly with the name on your passport. You can also try to update the Ryanair app. So go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Ryanair and further update the app if an update is required. Ensure you're using the latest version of the app as updates often resolve known issues. You can also try to restart your device as sometimes simply restarting your smartphone or tablet can resolve temporary glitches. And if none of these fixes your issues, you can manually enter passport details. If scanning continues to fail, the app may allow you to manually input your passport information during the check-in process. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.